Hey there, welcome back to Shavings and Cravings. I'm Matt, and tonight a little bit something different. Instead of just trying a tin, I'm going to make something delicious out of one. Specifically, this smoked rainbow trout from Fishwife. They were gracious enough to send me a few tins of this to try out. I had already tried it out of the tin, so you can go watch that somewhere here. But tonight I'm going to make a recipe, and we're going to make some smoked trout carbonara. It's not really carbonara because it's made with trout, but it's delicious nonetheless. And if you want to grab any tins of this yourself, I'm going to put my affiliate link down below. If you buy something from that, I get a little share of it, and I'd appreciate that because it allows me to buy more fish or other things to do this channel. Do with this channel. Anyways, let's cook it. And this is how it turns out. And let's give it a taste. Yeah, nice and creamy. It's very good. The smoked trout flavor comes out quite a bit in it. It's a lot smokier than I made this with bacon the other day, and this is a lot smokier flavor than that, which leads to some very big amount of deliciousness. This is awesome. You should try it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you. If you haven't, why not? It's free. Do it. It's right down there. Yeah, try this recipe out. If you have other recipes that you suggest with any tin fish, let me know. I'm wanting to try various stuff that I haven't tried before, and this is one of them, and it turned out really well. So anyways, I'm going to finish this plate, and I will see you later. See ya.